Welcome to L.R.S fishing. Just walking to a little mark, finished work, and I just thought I'd give it a go. I've fished here a few times with absolutely no luck. I'm quite a persistent guy, so I'm going to try this area again. After perch, of course. I tell you, I've got a headache standing next to that thing. Has anybody seen anything like that before? It was pile driving some big beams into the riverbed for like for erosion and stuff, I think, to protect the brick wall, like the bridge. Well, I guess that's what they were doing, that's what it looked like to me anyway. But anyway, I'm going to get down into this little mark. So basically the river starts, you'll see the rushes just there, goes all the way over there, all around like a U-bend, and then I'll finish up. You might have seen me try a few times here, but it looks ever so overgrown, I tell you. So with all the heat we've had, the weeds have come right out. Yeah, I'm looking forward to it. Quality. Right, let's get down here and give it a go. Okay, so this is the mark then. I would be usually standing over here, but as you can see, it's proper overgrown with weeds. So I've got a little space here I can just stand and cast. I'm going to work this little whirlpool sort of area. Then it goes, I mean, you won't be able to see it because it's just overgrown, and it goes over that way, but I don't know if I'll be able to get to the bank because there's just so much weeds here. But I'll try this little bit. It seems a bit promising. The water is very clear, so yeah, and it's very bright as well, so I don't know if the conditions are going to allow me to catch any fish. Now I know for a fact it is a little bit snaggy in here because I've lost some gear in here before, so but it just looks like a real holding area for perch, especially in this slack water just here. I just feel if I'm casting into there, you know, you've got this fast water, so if I cast into the fast water and then draw it across, like, I just feel the perch will be waiting there for an ambush and smash the lure. Well, that's the theory anyway, or if I can, I'll get into that slack water over there at the back, but we'll see how we get on. Let's get casting. We'll just see. I'm just going to search out the snaggy areas. Oh, right, I've just had something attack it. It's a perch. Yep, I'm on. Straight away. Get in there. Straight away. Oh, you git. Oh, you absolute git. I hope you got that. First cast as well. Right, let me just check the lure. Right, I was just checking the camera angle and it wasn't too good, so sorry about that. But at least you got the perch coming off. So yeah, messed the camera up on that one, guys, sorry. I'm just trying to think, let me go. Try there. Oh, there's a perch right next to it. He's just swam right by it like he didn't care. Literally, a perch has just swam straight past that like he didn't care. That is weird. I thought the perch would smash it. Okay, I've got a fish on, guys. I'm just reeling up. Yeah, nice perch. Here we go. Get in there. Oh, brilliant. I'm so happy about that. Let's get one hooked. Oh, look at that. Beautiful. Only a little one. Superb. Right, let's get back. Oh, straight away. Quality. Some of the things we do for fishing. Steady. bridge here. To be fair, in this bit here, where my rod is, where I'm pointing all around here, I thought the perch would be absolutely, I thought there'd be loads of perch just there. Because the water's funneling through, when they open the gate, the water comes gushing through here. There's a lock further down. And the water comes funneling through here pretty fast. I thought any struggling fish, the perch would be out just there waiting, but... Right, so I've cut that off. Now then, I have a pack of micro jig heads. Get my line. I always cut because of abrasion and stuff. I'll just cut the line a little bit there. Now the knot I use, I can't remember the name of this knot, but it's just simple. You just go like this. So you feed the, I don't know if you can see that, but you just feed the line through there and you bring it back on itself and you just do this. I'll go around about 5 to 7 times. He says 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's go 6. And then I pass it back through the loop. Then I wet it this bit and then pull it tight. Bosh. And there you go. I'll leave the tag in just in case there's a little bit of slip. Right, let's choose my lure. I want to go for a little one. Is there anything tiny in there? No. Here we go, here we go. I'm going to go for this one. Should go for that. Again, this jig is a 3.5 gram. I'll try and hook it perfectly. Just roll it round. Bosh. That's what we're working with. Okay, that's it. Alright, let's give it a go and see how we get on. I think they call this lure like something like micro fry or something like that. I can't quite remember if I'm completely honest with you. Yes. Oh, decent. Okay. Calm down. Oh, he's a lively one. These little wasps are hilarious, aren't they? Yes. Look at him. Perfection in miniature. How about that? So that little change did work. Quality. Right, let's get him back. Superb. Right, goodbye, mate. Oh, they are so cool. Quality, so the change works then. Well, that's the result. I'm pleased with that. I've got a much better fish on. Much better fish. Come on. Oh no, he's stuck in the weeds. Yes. Come to me. That's a much better fish. Much better. That's quality. Not the biggest, but not the smallest either. Oh, he's absolutely hailed that. Look at that. Right, see if we can... Oh, look at that. That is top class. That is top class. Right, let's get this lure out. came out. Oh no! Oh! Oh no! Oh, yep, I'm on. Here we go. Beautiful. Nice one. Quality, straight away. Alright, calm down. Oh, well, you saw that anyway. I dropped him. We're on again, boys. See if I can unhook him without dropping him this time. Only a little one. Can myself. Quality. Right, let's get him unhooked. Alright, you get. Quality, superb. Oh, I've had a few now. So, I'm back at the van now. I'm on my way home. It's getting late and I've got things to do this evening, so yeah. That was fun, I really enjoyed it. It was nice to, I moved spots. I was doing a bit of fishing yesterday and it wasn't working out for me, so I thought, you know what, we'll end the video somewhere else. I caught one perch. It was a little small one and then it just went dead, so I thought, you know what, I'll switch up and I'll do the micro jig heads with the small fry. I'm sure the lure is called small fry. I'm sure of it, but I can't remember. So don't take my word for it. But yeah, and I ended up having a few little perch really. So I caught a few off camera. My phone is playing up something fierce. Basically, when I was in Devon doing some fishing, I did a congereel fishing video, and a dog came and knocked my tripod into the sea with my phone on it, and smashed my screen and stuff. So my phone's playing up. There's the battery dies within, you know, an hour of me using it, so I can only do so much recording, and every single time I switch the phone off I end up into a fish. So I've got as many fish as I possibly can on camera. I'm having a bit of a tough time with my phone at the minute. It's a pain in the ass. It's making my filming really difficult, but I'm persevering until I can get myself a decent camera. It'll just have to do for now. But yeah, all in all, half a dozen I'd say. A few of them were okay size, the rest of them were just like, you know, little wasps. But I enjoyed it. It was nice to catch a few fish. So yeah, that's it. I'm done. Quality. Check out my socials, L.R.S. Fishing, Instagram, Facebook, you know the lot. Give us a comment, like, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel, help me out. That's it. I'm done. Thanks for watching, L.R.S. And you know what? Wherever there's water, I'll be there. Catch you later, guys.